TeachAnOldDogNewTricks.com. More than 40 hours of free computer training. Sit, stay, and learn. Thank you. Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and I want to talk to you about resizing cells and then distributing rows or columns evenly in Microsoft Word 2010. When we get into a table and we decide we want to manipulate it, what I want to show you is by taking the pointer and putting it on any of the borders or any of the lines that go around the cells, I get this little two-headed arrow. Let me go down right here. There you go. See how you get the two-headed arrow with the black line that's going from left to right in between? Well, if I click and hold, I can drag up or down to make that particular row deeper. If I want to make a column wider, I can just drag to the right. Now I have some restrictions because of the way this is set up right now, but I can manipulate this stuff very easily. Okay, so I can make things bigger. What I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out a little, out a little bit so you can see things a little bit better. But I can take the whole table and drag it down the page. So again, you get that little pointer on a line. When you get the two-headed arrow, you click and hold and you can drag up or down as you see fit. So when you get into a table, you can really manipulate this any way you want. But having stated that, eventually you'll get to a point where you might say, geez, you know, I just want to have all the rows distributed evenly. Well, I'm going to click all, let me do that again. I'm going to click and drag down to get all the rows selected. Now I'm going to go up to Layout and see where it says Distribute Rows. I'm going to distribute the rows evenly by clicking on this. So now all the rows have an equal depth. I can do the same thing with columns. Again, I'm going to select the first column, I'm going to drag over to the right, and I'm going to distribute the columns evenly, just like that. When you are in a table, and let me zoom in, and I want to make this a little bit smaller so you can see something, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. When you're in a cell, and you decide you want to enter more information, just like you were typing something, if you hit the enter, what it does is it forces the cell down. So as you're in here and you're typing more information, well, you can put in more information and it will go down automatically, or you can hit the enter key. So it's another way to manipulate the cells, and I urge you to go in and mess around with that a little bit, because that's a big part of what you're going to do when working with a table. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here. Have a great day.